What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're doing another blind taste test video.
We like doing the last one so much that this time we're doing it with different foods.
This is inspired by Hell's Kitchen, our favorite show at the moment.
In there, the contestants have 5 different foods that they have to try and guess while blindfolded.
This will be a test of our palates. Let's get into it.
Hey everyone, so Ty is outside and I'm preparing his food for the taste test. So I got a pack of antipasto meats. I'm gonna give him the salami because I think it'll be a bit harder for him to guess. I also got some broccoli that I'm going to steam and then cut up finely. I got a Bartlett pear. I'm gonna skin it and dice it up so the texture is a bit different. Also got a peach. He loves peaches, so I'm gonna skin it and also dice it up finely. And then I'm gonna cook up some egg whites just because I think it'll be harder to guess than scrambled eggs. So I'm gonna prepare that and we'll get back to it. I prepared the food for the taste test. I just kind of shredded up the salami. I steamed the broccoli and cut it up into smaller pieces. I peeled the pear and just roughly chopped it up. I scrambled just 1 egg worth of egg whites. And then I peeled and diced the peach. Let's go see if Ty can guess all 5 right. Hey everyone, we're back with Ty. He's going to put a blindfold on and headphones so I can play music so he can't tell anything that's going on. While he does that, I'm gonna go get the food. We're not going to use the headphones because you can hear the music for copyright issues. So we're just going to do the blindfold. So he has 5 things to guess. We'll see how well he does this time because last time he got 5 for 5. So, are you scared?
I'm not scared. I'm nervous that you're going to feed me something gross.
You should be. Okay, so this is the first one. This is so exciting. He also only gets 1 bite, so with that 1 bite he has to guess what it is.
Salami?
You're right. This is the second one. I feel like you might get this one. Sorry, I'm just gathering it. Open wide. This is so much fun.
Oh. It's between broccoli and cauliflower.
Which one?
Cauliflower.
No.
Broccoli?
Yep.
Yeah.
Close though. You were in the right one. This is the third one. I'll give you a big one.
Pear?
Yes. Wow, you have a good palate, as Gordon would say. The fourth one? I think you might get this one, but not specifically this.
Felt that hit my leg.
Open. I'm so clumsy. He looks disgusted.
Egg?
Yes. Do you know specifically what?
Scrambled egg or fried egg?
Scrambled egg.
White?
Yes. Okay, this is the last one. Like I said, I'm flimsy. He's really...
Peach?
Yes! Oh my gosh! 4 for 5, and he was close on the broccoli with cauliflower.
Oh, can't see now.
So, he has a pretty good palate. Gordon would be very proud.
Alright, your turn. Hey everyone, so we're prepping Amanda's items for her blind taste test. I picked 5 different things. I think she will, probably guess, but won't be too easy for her. So the first one, we've got a head of celery that we're going to dice up for her. We've got some imitation crab meat, some chicken breast, some steak or beef sirloin strips, and some cranberry goat cheese. Alright, so we've got the celery diced up, the chicken, the cranberry goat cheese, the crab meat, and the steak. So now that you guys have seen the prep work and the finished product, let's call Amanda back in and see if she can figure this out. All right, so we've got Amanda back with us. She's gonna put her blindfold on, and I'm gonna bring in her 5 items to try and guess. All right, everyone, so you can see the items we've got here for Amanda. You ready to do this?
Yes.
All right.
I hope I have a good palate.
So this is our first item.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
Open wide.
Okay. Whoa. That's celery.
Correct.
Mm-mm.
All right. Item number 2.
Open it. Oh, plain celery is nasty.
Okay.
No, wait. A piece of celery still in it. Okay.
There's almost like a look of disgust and uncertainty.
It's crunchy but chewy.
Need an answer.
I don't. Pancetta? Bacon?
No. It's in the bird category.
In the bird category. Chicken?
Yeah.
That's chicken? What kind of chicken is that?
That was pre-cooked chicken breast.
Oh my god, that's not it. It was like smoky, like it was bacon or something.
All right. Item number 3.
Wow, so I'm 0 for 2. Or 0 for 5.
No, you got celery.
Oh yeah, I guess so.
This might be a difficult one, and I will take possible answers.
Damn it, it's gone. Is it like a nut spread?
No.
Oh my gosh. It tastes like Nutella, but not chocolatey. Like I don't know.
I need an answer.
I've completely lost the taste. Peanut butter.
No. It's cranberry goat cheese.
Really? Oh my gosh, I've never had that before. I've had goat cheese. I've never had the cranberry goat cheese though.
I swear, we get it every holiday.
We do. It was cranberry. That's not even close to hazelnut.
No.
That's not nutty at all.
That's why I said I would take two answers. I would have taken goat cheese or I would have taken cranberry.
And I got you. Okay, so I already have a worse palate.
All right.
That was nice.
Item number 4.
You picked hard ones.
I did not.
Yeah, these are so difficult. Let the record show.
Ready? Doesn't everything taste like chicken?
Is it turkey?
No.
Oh my god.
That is your favorite thing in the world. Beef. Those were steak strips.
What? Oh my god.
All right, clear that palate. Last item, everyone.
I understand why this is hard now.
Why? You don't look impressed.
Is it cheese?
No.
What the?
I'll give you another shot at this one. Do you want more? You want another spoonful?
Yeah, I guess.
No. I did not purposely pick things because they were hard. I mean, I picked chicken and steak. Those are supposed to be very easy.
It's a weird texture.
Okay, we need an answer.
Mushrooms?
No.
Oh my god, what was that?
Crab meat.
Really?
Like the imitation crab meat. So
Wow, that was not fishy at all.
I would have taken fish, crab.
That was not fishy at all. It tasted like a soft cheese.
Definitely not cheese, and definitely not a mushroom. You may remove your blindfold.
Oh my goodness. I have the worst palate of life.
Well, there you go, folks. Just like the pop taste test, I am the champion, and I clearly have a better palate.
I'm a loser. 1 for 5. I only got celery.
You only got celery.
That's because it tastes disgusting.
Well, keep an eye out for future blind taste tests, and we'll see if Amanda can redeem herself. Until next time.
Where's the lamb sauce?
It's raw.